everyone, welcome to the day 2 Breathe With Me challenge. Let's come into a comfortable seated position. Let's roll up those shoulders, place your hands in Chin Mudra. Let's soften our gaze and close our eyes. Let's shift our awareness to our breath. Feel the air going in and out. Great job. So let's take a purposeful deep breath in. Inhale. Exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. Great. So we're going to do the abdominal breathing, which we did yesterday. Make sure that you breathe in and out both through your nostrils. So let's place our right hand on our abdomen. Ready? Inhale, rise your belly out. Exhale, contract it all the way in. Big inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise your belly out. Exhale, contract it all the way in. Now a little slower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Great job. Place your hand back on your knee. Roll back those shoulders, maintain a tall seated position. Observe the calmness in your breath, in your mind. I'm going to say a few phrases. You are welcome to join me. I am kind. I am strong. I am loving. I am forgiving. I am healthy. I am happy. Feel those phrases sinking into your mind. Let's gently tilt our head towards the mat. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Great job. Thank you so much for joining and congratulations in completing day 2 of Breathe With Me. So then I invite you to do 2 tasks like yesterday. One is please press the like button and share it with your friends, and also the subscribe button if you found this video valuable. Also, step 2 is I have mentioned a quote for the day in the description below. So have a read and let me know how you interpret it in the comment section below. So thanks again, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a blessed day.